I'm going to teach you on the low. And if you want to see the full dance with the music, click the link in the description below so you can feel the vibe and also practice with the music slowly. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when there's a new tutorial. Yes? So let's get started. We start out with this jump. You're going to cross your legs and jump open. But when you do this, you don't have to make it too big, but just enough so you get that and one. Yeah, so make sure you get and one. So let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yeah, and on 1 you want to have your knees bent because immediately you're going to get into this hip swing. Yes, my arm, I'm going to keep it up when I jump. Normally I go like this and 1. Yeah, so on the 1 my arm goes up. You can if you want to, but I'm going to do it a little easier. Yeah, you're going to have your arm up already. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. See how I go from end immediately into this. My cheat into this is when I jump and when I land, I'm a little bit on the left side so I can go to the right. Yeah, just see. This is the middle, this is me cheating a little bit so I can have some space. Yeah, so make sure you pay attention to that. It's very subtle. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you're gonna go from side to side to side, and then your whole body weight is gonna go to the left. Yeah, because you're going to get into this step. One more time from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? When I do this, my hips pretty much go from right to left. Yeah? So it's very relaxed, no tension. It should not feel painful. Yes? Just a little bit. Not a little bit, not a little bit of pain, but it's just a little bit of movement, not too big. So my knees are bent. And I make my hip go from right to left, yeah? And your upper body is pretty much still, so there's not a lot of movement here, it's just relaxing, yeah? So your chest does do this. Yeah, it's not frozen completely. There's a bit of this going on, yes? All right, one more time from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna go into 5. So your arms are gonna point diagonal. So this is totally to the back and this is a little bit to the corner because I wanna see the arm if I look at it from the front. So boom, pa, boom, pa. Yeah, so you're going to whip, go around, and then whip on the other side. Go around, whip, go around, whip. And when you do that go around, there's a little bit of a slow it down, yes? So when you have whip, slow, whip, slow, whip, slow, whip. Yeah, so it's not horizontal, but it's just a little bit up. It's not completely in the sky, but a little bit above your shoulders. Yes? Like this. So when we have had boom, pa, boom, pa. And as you can see, I look, rotate, look, rotate, look. Yes? Let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your feet just do this little step. Step and step. Step and step. And your upper body turns a bit with your whip. Yes? So one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, see how I go from here into this, into the next move. So my arms swing, they keep swinging into the next move. Yeah, so you have this right here, boom, ha, and so from here it goes bigger. Whip, whip, and whoo. Yes? So from this, you're going to step backwards and make a body roll. Yeah? So it's like you're pretty much touching each body part one by one. Not at the same time, but one by one. And if you want to take time getting the body roll, make sure you check out my tutorials. So you roll, and I keep 2 guns, but you could also just do this or do it like this. You can decide for yourself. So I go backward with my head first, and then the rest of my body follows. And then from here, I'm going to go in a deep bend position, and my arms are gonna go around and around, and my upper body makes this rotation. Here, roll, roll with the body, yes? But your arms are gonna go around. Roll, 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 and my knees just do this. So that's why it's also important to not be on the back of your foot, but more on the front, because it's going to help you move your knees, yes? So you have that boom, boom, and back, and roll here. Yeah, so your hands can be whatever. I do this, open hands, but you could have it in fist, do whatever you want. So you're here, and then you're gonna go around and around. And your shoulders are loose, chest is loose, everything's loose. Yes? So, when we've had here, here, see how I go from here into here, and then I roll it back. Yeah, so I have here, bam, and back, and back. And this starts with the groove. Yeah, to the left, lean to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. And it's very relaxed, yeah? But my shoulder leans in first, yeah? So my arm can be right here, yeah? Like you're touching the side of your body. So the first side is to the right, and then left side. You roll on the right, on the left, on the right, on the left. And with my leg, I have a bit of a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So my leg goes out, leg goes out. You can even do both if you want to. You can do none. But as long as this groove is there, to the right, to the left. That's the most important thing. That's why I'm so focused on explaining certain things. So let's do it from, so we've had this whip, whip, and roll, roll, here, and lean. Yes, let's do it slowly from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so you can see that I'm leaning to the right. That's going to help me lift my left leg. So I'm to the right, and I can step on left, right, left, right. And you're going to do 4 steps. And this is just walking on your spot. So you have, let's say, this is just really like walking with no extra, left, right, but your hips are just gonna be loose with it. So when you step, your hips gonna go to the right, to the left, right, left, and you step, left leg, right leg, right leg. Yeah, make sure this is just very relaxed. Yeah, practice it, building up that hip movement, yeah, so you get used to it. If you don't get it yet, just step, and your arms are gonna go up slowly, yeah? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, because we're gonna jump into the next move, yes? So, when we've had boom, 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 2, 3, 4, lean to the left, lean to the right, then step, 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 and really soak in all the energy, yeah? Like really make this as big as possible, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah? So when we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna jump into 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, yeah? So when I jump into this, my hips are already back. So my back is already like hollow, but most definitely my hips are like to the back, yeah? Your hands also, so you're gonna go like this and then bring your hip to the front and back again. So it's gonna go up, 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 up. In your knees, you're going to bounce. Yeah? So when you go up, your hips go up, you go up a little bit, and then you go back up. So everything just goes up. Only your hands go to the front. Hoopa, shoopa, 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 ha, shoopa. And you lean a little bit more to the right side because it's more showing, yeah, to some body. Yeah. So when we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and yeah. So you have had whop, 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 wah, ah, 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 ah. Yeah. One more time. So you've had whop, 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 ha, ah, 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 ah. Yeah. One more time. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah, so and ha. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then we're going to step to this side. So when we've had this part and tak, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. See, I'm standing a little bit more on my right, and then so I can push off into the next move. So what's going to happen when we have N, T, 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 you're going to go step and step, ha. Yeah, so you step to that side, to the back, and then back to your original position. Yeah, with your arms, you're going to roll. And it's pretty much almost like the one that we did before, but in a different tempo. Yeah, it's gonna be like slow and slow, slow and slow. And you're just gonna twirl your body. This, you could also make your arms bigger when you do it. So you can decide for yourself what you wanna do. As long as it just goes around, and you get back into this position. Yeah? So, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So you push right, push left in the front, then you bring it up, inward, behind your head, and then you're going to fall into this ahi challenge move. Yeah? You can keep your arms up, keep your arms down, because we're gonna go from your hair and then across your body. So you can just use your arms the way you wanna use it, as long as you do that move. Yes? So, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So also pay attention to when I do this, it's not just straight into it, it's just you do this smooth, yeah? In a soft way, like here, and my upper body moves to the side, and then in the middle, and then we keep moving. Yes? So make sure really you get that whole softness in this whole vibey song. Yes? So let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? All right, so This is the whole dance. Practice with the music, slow and then fast. The link is in the description, so make sure to click it, and that's how you can practice. Yes? Have fun.